Abeebembezi y'entindo na mnongoro akanyigoro urukwatanisa district ya Rampara na Sheema uzahartezyo bwerukushishwa Sino truck ekinte kireetire amagara g'abantu gaza hartezo. Akakiiko k'ebyenguto aka district ya Sheema akakushutama aha mbuga nkuru za district omu council hall kebembirwe Dickson Kateshumbwa kaahiriza ba engineer obwire butarikurenga abiti ibiri kuba bakoze reporta erukworeka enguuto ezisiisikiire ahabwa Sino truck ahabw'okuba baruhire akajogano.
Mukore reporte mutuhereze mucha security yona mumanye security is now responsible for enforcing what? If something happens, then the first person to be responsible will be what? Security. But I can tell you have to know that
Eki nikija obwanyuma y'omurukiro wa mukuru w'ihanga Fred naye barikyamuzijita kushaba ko habaho ensharasharo erikworeka ekindi kuba nikikorwa ahabw'okuba Sino truck zibahindwire nk'abakozi nibandika omu itaka enguuto zikufa bwashesha bwira.
Entindo ziza kutura kusitakozo konka abantu b'ekigendo twine kutwara ebitookye byaitu twine kukozesa mbwenu nanyamu komite ahabw'okuba bamwe ba parliament these are strategic thinkers and for this nation policy makers planning y'enguuto tureke kusigigana n'okumanya.
Omu rukiiko ndorumwe abeebembezi bayetombitira ba works abakirukwataho wekirikumara aha ruguuto rwa masheruka okuza bwizwera aho esente ezakozesibwa omurimo ogwakozirwe gutari bukye.
Once they are here, before they start, we sit with them. Because even if you are given the 300 million, you cannot fail to do bush clearing, what Arab gas, shaping and export management. And the community is ready to give money, especially on these areas like after Stagata, Goya, and other areas.
Practically, Ministry of Works also says does not have funding. So it is us that have to put the funding into the mechanical interest. So practically, it is impossible. But the Ministry of Works is dodging because they are also saying it is Parliament that put the 10%.
Oruguuto ruri omu mbeera mbi munonga na bwanyuma mukuru w'ihanga kuraganisa kurukorwa okumara obwire buringwa omu ishengerokazi aha miizi kimwe k'omuhwezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa kyobwa hati ekimuri aha mutwe.
That they had gotten money for working both the galleries and that the big picture is still rolling out because he had talked to the Deputy Speaker over the same thing. So it is up to us now to continue mounting pressure. Remember yesterday that that was passed, maybe we could take advantage of that and we raise noise.
Ana hari echo orumukuru w'ihanga aturana araganza abanyashema okutera koransi kandi mukuru w'entebe ya katano yachoreka butunu kwariho n'abayanje gutera bururu ahabo butabafaho ngukonkana hati batorana baranzyayo.
You remember last time this Churungu area never voted because of their road. It is actually impossible. So we were really saying, I think I discussed it with you, Mr. Engineer, that let it be an emergency thing, so that these people should not cry all the time.
Nargo bajuru kubartebe kanisa rutakasi iskar. Then to atabone zinde nguuto nsya nichamansangu district takers kora hoga stands korwan kama gombora gabagatinde sente zikumara kuzikoraje. Mwena tuware wankuru guturukuru ganyi hanga rukaraba shabya rukijo mugarwa chaya rutandukurwa town council koke ine sentence onka hati sentence twaruhereza miliyoni 200 financial year kwije hati njimasa nguru rugutunja kubaruki rutebekine mwena abantu baje masiko
atyo Kateshumbwa niko kugamba nakizimbe kya district ya Sheema ekimazirena kunebisibo okukiine kutwazibwa aho bwa hati omusinge gushwekirwe ekishaka.
There is a directive from the president to use those people. There is no harm for you to start negotiations now. You enter into a partnership. First July kerake otugambire tuzoba minister nitugirango banzo release the sentence. Kuzukwija immediately you transfer the start one.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gerard Tugume aha watayari West Omurshema.